and priming, all with a smaller footprint. Now introducing fluid metering's new variable dispense pump. With this robust, reliable solution, the search is over. At the core of the variable dispense system is the patented Ceram pump design. This unique design utilizes a single dimensionally stable and chemically inert ceramic valveless piston liner set for precise fluid control. The valveless pumping principle doubles the life cycle of current market technology. Here's how it works. The ceramic piston moves fluid by simultaneously rotating and reciprocating. The flat on the piston acts as a control valve as it aspirates and dispenses liquid, while the piston stroke length is determined by the fixed angle of the pump head. The variable dispense enables a motorized control to change the angle of the pump head, all in real time. With this system, the user is now able to have a higher flow rate for priming the line and can automatically adjust to a small dispense volume ranging from microliters to liters, accommodating a wide range of applications. The variable dispense approach enables a compact and simplified fluidic design that combines priming or washing and a precise dispensing cycle all in one pump. Plus, the automated angle change in the pump head can function as a syringe pump with fluid movement occurring at the same port. The low-profile design and function of the variable dispense pump addresses some of the industry's most challenging requirements. No longer is there one pump for priming, one for flushing, and one for dispensing. The innovative variable dispense technology achieves the work of all three pumps in just one. Serving a variety of markets, the variable dispense pump is where technology and engineering come together to provide a solution for all users who will benefit from it for years to come. From medical devices, biotechnology, diagnostics, and analytical instruments, there is no shortage of advantages when it comes to using the fluid metering variable dispense pump.